Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering on the Zebra ZT410 and confirming the green ready LED. This ensures the printer booted its firmware. Plug a direct USB-A to USB-B cable into the printer and your computer. A hub can cause detection issues. Once done, make sure you're signed into an administrator account so you can install drivers. You're initiating device-level communication now. This reduces variables before software setup, and it lets the operating system see the printer for the next step. Next, install the Zebra ZT410 driver, either the Z Designer package or the OS built-in driver. Choose the 64-bit option if your system is 64-bit because wrong architecture breaks printing. Run the installer and select USB or Virtual COM when it asks for a port. This maps the printer properly. Once finished, open your system's printers or devices panel to confirm a Z Designer or Zebra entry appears. If it shows but is offline, you'll adjust port settings in a moment. To finish, print a configuration label directly from the printer menu or use the driver's test page. This verifies communication and label formatting. If the printer remains offline, check the USB cable and power first, then open Device Manager to confirm the assigned COM or USB device. Reinstall the driver if it lists errors. As a last troubleshooting tip, reset the ZT410 to factory defaults or update firmware. This often clears protocol mismatches and restores reliable printing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.